Get ready to enjoy more your outfits during the holidays. This is Jane and Reviews, and this was a free sample by Nebility. And I love this the underwear. So it is underwear, and it comes in two different colors, black and nude. And I just love the colors because they go with everything. So you can wear this under the dresses, and if you see here, it has this fabric that is going to keep your tummy inside, and you can use it even with leggings because the material is so, it is flexible and it doesn't mark through the clothes. So with jeans, skirts, dresses, it goes with everything, and it does a great job keeping that silhouette and that figure, that tummy in. So this is awesome. And right now for the holidays, I think it's a great thing to have in your drawer, and it's very useful. I believe mine are size medium, but I probably should have ordered a size small just because I guess the medium runs a little bit big, but still the medium seems that is going to fit me very comfortably. I hope you check them out, and thank you for watching.